A very good morning to all of you. I am Sheetal Raj from St. Xavier's School, and today we are going to start a very important chapter, and I am saying it important just because this chapter is related to a very precious thing, and that is water. You can see, children, that we are going to start chapter number 13, which is totally based on water. As you know, children, that we have read in previous classes up to chapter number 12. And now we are going to start chapter number 13. So you can see, children, that here I have written water. This chapter is related on water or related to water. Okay. So you can see that I have written some questions here, or you can say that I have written few questions here, and in your book, that means in your book there are some questions. I think there are total 6 questions in your book. And what you have to do is you have to tick the correct answers. That means the questions are given and you have to tick the correct answers. And there are total 6 questions given in your book. So you can see, children, this chapter or these questions are totally based on water. You all know, children, that water is a very precious thing for our life, and not for only human beings, just for the mankind, just for the animals, plants, every living things which are on the earth. Every living things needs water for their life. Okay. So this chapter is very precious, and this chapter is totally related on water. So that's why this chapter is very precious. So you can see, children, the first question. I am going to start the first question, and the first question is, we should store the clean water in dash. That means the question is arising that clean water, that means साफ सुथरा पानी हमें कहाँ स्टोर करना चाहिए. Okay, and there are 3 options or there are 4 options. You have to tick the correct option. I have just written the correct answer here. You can see, children, I have written answer number B. That means there are 4 options, A, B, C and D, and the correct answer is in option number B. The answer is a clean pot with a lid. That means you need to store water in a very clean pot and with a lid. Just because if you have a clean pot and you don't have lid, what will happen? The water will be water will be dirty. Okay, by coming the dirt particles, the dust and everything, like unnecessary thing, so the water will be in a dirty position. So that's why we need a lid to cover the water and to protect the clean water. Okay, so the correct answer is a clean pot with a lid. You know, children, this is very important. Lid is very important. Okay, so the correct answer is a clean pot with a lid. So this is the first question. Now we will move to the second question, which is, a dash needs water to grow. Here there are 4 options. You know, children, that which part of living things needs water to grow. You can see that there are 4 options, A, B, C and D. There are 4 options given, and the correct answer is plant. Just because plant needs water to grow, that means there are so many plants and all plants need water to grow and for their survival on this earth. So water is very important because plants take water and make their food with the water. So that's why water is very important for them. So the correct answer is plant. Okay. Now the next question is, dash water can't be used for drinking. Here the question is asking that there are 4 options, and you have to find out that which option or which part of our water is not used for drinking process, or we can't use for drinking process. Okay, so there were so many options like pond, river, and the next one is sea also. Here I have written the correct answer, which is C, and C is given in option number B. Why I have written C? I have just written C because the water of sea is very salty. So that's why we can't use it as for drinking. Okay. So that's why I have written C. The water of sea is very salty. So that's why we do not use water of sea for drinking process. Okay, children. So these were the 3 questions, and as I have said that there are total 6 questions. So these were the 3 questions, and now we will move to another 3 questions. Okay, children. So now we are ready with 3 more questions. As we have said that 3 questions have done, and now we are going to start 3 more questions. Okay, so here you can see that the question number 4 says, while brushing our teeth we should dash. That means the question is arising that while brushing what we should do regarding to the water. Okay, so there were 4 options, and the correct answer is use the tap only when needed. That means whenever you need the tap, only then only you just open the tap and then again close the tap. Okay, this is because we don't use or we don't need to waste our water. Okay, water is very precious, as you know, that's why whenever we need the water we just open the tap, and whenever we don't need the water we just close the tap. Okay, so the correct answer is while brushing your teeth we should do, use the tap only when it is needed. Okay, now next is we use water to dash. The next question is we use water to dash. That means what water is used for. That means there were so many options. I think there are 4 options, and the correct answer is wash utensils. The correct answer is wash. So the correct answer is wash utensils. That means what is the meaning of utensils, children? Do you know? The meaning of utensil is bartan. What do you use water for? We use water for washing our utensils that we use for eating. Okay, so the correct answer is wash utensils. Now moving to the next and the last question, which is dash melts and becomes water. The question is here, the question arising is, इनमें से ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो पिघल कर पानी बदल जाती है. ओके, और जो पिघल कर पानी में बदल जाती है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि देयर आर 4 ऑप्शंस A, B, C and D. So the correct answer is A, which is ice. Ice is mentioned in option number A, and the correct answer is ice. This is because you can see that in your fridge there are so many ice cubes. You can see that in freezer you keep so many ice cubes, and when you take out from the fridge you can see that after some time the ice melts and becomes water. Okay, so the correct answer is ice. Ice is the only thing that melts and become in water. Okay, so these were all the 6 questions which we have done today, and we will start the next chapter in the next session. Okay, so what you have to do is you just have to by heart all these 6 questions, and you have to write down in your notebook also. Okay, so first you have to write down in your notebook and then start by heart this questions. Okay, so this was the today's session. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you.